We are at the C&O Canal National Historical Park, and this is a partner site for the Nature Conservancy, and we're in a collaborative relationship with the National Park Service to balance the needs of the rare plants and animals that live here with the hundreds of thousands of visitors that this trail sees annually. The home of the very famous Billy Goat Trail. We saw people jogging, bikers. We've got rappellers on the Shark Cliffs on the Virginia side.
And that is most likely due to people wanting to get out in Mother Nature and unplug